Today I want to show you a quick exercise that you can do if you're having shoulder pain. This exercise is called Codman's arm swing. What you're going to want to do is you want to get into a lunge stance right here. Your front leg is going to be the opposite arm that you're swinging with. So that right now I'm going to show you my left arm. If you like, you can grab onto something too that might help you also. What you're going to want to do is move your body and let your arm just hang there too. And your arm's going to be swinging by moving your body. You're not moving your arm. You're not using your arm to move it. You're using your body to move the arm. What this is going to help do is get some range of motion in your arm called passive range of motion rather than active range of motion. Active range of motion is when you're using your arm to get the movement. We want passive because sometimes with active range of motion it's really painful. And you just keep swinging like this. This is going to help get some traction on the muscles in the shoulder and also ligaments and help get some movement when otherwise we couldn't have some. Really easy to do, and you can do both sides too. And right there you kind of see I wasn't having a very good stance. So you want to make sure your back is straight when you're doing it, because if not, you're gonna have back pain along with it. So you just do that. You can swing your arm like that. It's gonna really help get some movement in those shoulders.